So you found the perfect ring, but you're confused about the ring size? Ring, ring, ring. Don't worry. Here's the ultimate ring size guide, and the only one you'll ever need. You start with a piece of string or a strip of paper. Wrap it around your finger and mark the exact point where it overlaps. Now, measure it against a ruler and match the millimeter size with the ring size on this chart. And there you go! You found your exact ring size. We'll wait while you take a screenshot of this, or you could download it later from the link below. Print it out, and you could even use one of your own rings to measure your ring size. If you're in between sizes, we suggest going with the bigger size. It's much easier to resize a bigger ring than a smaller one. We hope this helps you find your ring size. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more jewelry hacks and tips. Until next time, happy shopping!